In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a survey in Zoho Survey. Whether you've finished collecting responses or you're ready to analyze the data, closing your survey is a crucial step. Let's walk through this process together so you can manage your surveys effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho Survey dashboard. This serves as your control panel, showcasing all your surveys in one place. It's important to ensure you start from the dashboard because it keeps everything organized and prevents any mix-ups between different surveys. Next, you'll need to click on the survey you've created, the one you'd like to close. This gives you access to all specific features and settings for that particular survey. It's like delving into a project file where all your work and data are stored. Make sure you're selecting the right survey, especially if you have similar ones, to avoid interruptions in your workflow. Once you're in, look for the Builder tab and click it. The Builder tab provides an overview of your survey design, allowing you to make any last-minute checks or adjustments before closing. It's always a good idea to quickly review your questions and ensure all responses have been captured correctly. After all, a well-organized survey makes data analysis a smooth process. Now, move on to the Launch tab. Clicking on Launch takes you to the section where you manage survey availability and publishing options. Here, you can also double-check the survey distribution settings, ensuring everything aligns with your initial project goals. Finally, to close the survey, simply click the Close Survey button. This step stops the collection of new responses, effectively preserving your existing data for analysis. Once a survey is closed, it cannot accept further participants, so make sure you're ready. If you change your mind or notice something amiss, remember you can still reopen the survey from this same area. And that's it. Following these steps will help you close your survey confidently and efficiently within Zoho Survey. Remember, closing a survey is not just about stopping data collection. It's about wrapping up the project stage and moving on to analyze and interpret your results. Transitioning from data collection to analysis is a big step in survey management, so take a moment to bask in your progress and success. With your data collection neatly secured, you're now ready to dive into reporting and insights with clarity and focus. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to check out the helpful FAQs and support forums Zoho Survey offers. They are great resources for troubleshooting and expanding your survey management skills. Thanks for tuning in, and happy surveying.